Hello, Burning Trailer YouTube. My name is Bernardo. Welcome to the Car Finder Garage. This is the absolute cold start video of the 1999 Ford F450. Hasn't been turned on for a week to 10 days. It's been sitting here. New coolant. Both batteries are brand new. Mechanically, this thing runs excellent. I myself drove it from Southern California up to Northern California. Again, it hasn't been turned on. It's ice cold. I'm gonna go ahead and try to set up my camera somewhere here. Hopefully this will stay up. I'll probably fall when we'll start, but we'll give it a shot right now.